I'm not gonna get hit. Look at that. Golf ball sized hail. Golf ball sized hail. Yes, I'm gonna go out and get one. There. Oh shit, here we go. Here, you got it live right here. Right here on HamRadioConcepts. Oh shit. Wow. Ow! That hurts, man. I got one right in the back. Look at that. Dude, look at the... Hey, open the door. Here, take this. Here, take this. They won't play them. Take them. All right, watch. You guys got to watch out. Yes, let me see.
And we got this at the door right here.
So yeah, golf ball size hail. Wow, look at the hail coming off, man. Jeez. That is bizarre. That guy just blowing right through. He don't care. I bet you his window's busted. Look at that, huh? Let me see. Check it out. Here. Wow. I was just showing like no dents. No dents. So that was pretty big hail, I gotta tell you.
It was falling hard. You got hit in the back with one.
Yeah, that hurt pretty bad. There you go. I didn't know. I mean, I know there's bigger hail out there, guys, but in Vero Beach, Florida, since I've lived here, I haven't seen some that big. The biggest one I had was about that big. I haven't seen golf ball size hail out here. So, all right, 7-3. I don't think there's any dents on this. I hope not. No dents. All right. The only thing I'm worried about there is all the solar panels. Remember I put up on the top of the RV, 1,200 something watts of them. That's glass. I hope that those aren't busted.